Hello everyone. At the previous lesson, we some kind of ended the presentation and we created in the complete format, and you can use it. And this is just a conclusive session. If you need anything changes, any more designs, you can ask me, and I will be happy to help. But this presentation is ended. You can change the pictures if you want or change anything else. But this is the conclusion. You can find the complete tutorial on how we create this thing in the channel in this playlist. This is a really great one and I really like it. And after that we are going to create another presentation completely like this and use it. I think the another presentation theme is going to be about history or networks. I don't really know by now, but we are going to create another one. And until then, I hope you all enjoyed the life. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And if you need anything, ask me in the comments. I will give you. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.